Hi everybody, my name is Gilbert Munyemana. I work for the National University of Rwanda in the Center for Instructional Technology. Now sitting in my office, but I would like to share with you Presentationtube tool, which is a tool that I come across in the forum where we share our experiences with other educational technologists, at my university. And this presentation tube I want to present to you is the tool that I've used to create this presentation. This kind of presentation recording and making this kind of educational materials is not new. I remember when I was discussing with my rector when he was doing his studies in England, like in 70s, they were using podcasts and so on. But this kind of learning material that you're going to create through Presentationtube, these are the material which doesn't really require any other knowledge. With the tool that we are having here, anyone can create learning material without any prior knowledge in ICT and everything. Before we start, I think it's better that we understand the advantages of having this kind of materials. I've prepared a presentation that I'm going to record through the tool that I'm going to present to you. So I've called it a Z way to create multimedia based learning material with Presentationtube. I've already introduced myself. My name is Gilbert Munyemana. I work for the Center for Instructional Technology, National University of Rwanda. And before we start, because I've mentioned the multimedia, we may ask ourselves, what is a multimedia? Multimedia, as defined by Mao Neil from Malaysia, is a combination of various digital media types, such as text, images, sound, and video, into an integrated, multisensory, and interactive application or another presentation, which has the purpose to convey a message or another information to a specific audience. Now, in education, the multimedia in education, like the services which are related to multimedia, like the one that we are having at the National University of Rwanda in the Center for Instructional Technology, it consists on producing computer-based training courses. Those are the courses which integrate this kind of different information formats to convey an educational message, to present it to the students. Now here are some benefits of multimedia based learning. As summarized by Shepard, the first of all, it's an alternative perspective. It helps in active participation because someone is really following, engaging with the material that you have given to him, and then he can just relearn until he's tired, or just until he understands or she understands. It helps in accelerated learning. It helps in accelerated learning because it's a classroom that you're going with that you can just activate whenever you want. And it helps retention and application of knowledge, because we know that whenever just we are learning and then we are hearing and then we are watching what really someone is explaining, it becomes easier than only reading. It helps in problem solving and decision making skill, because some of the multimedia based learning materials, they have got kind of questions that someone can interact with. There are different exercises which improves this problem solving ability. It helps the system understanding because you have the whole system explained. Maybe like in biology or something else, it's easier to learn through the multimedia based learning than the text one or the only image without voice, without interaction. High order thinking is another thing that a well-designed multimedia based learning can help in. Autonomy and focus, because you're the one who decides when to start and to stop. Control over pacing and sequencing of information. Either you are quicker or slow learner, it's up to you. It's on your pace that you learn. Access to support information, because like if the material is well designed, you have the support to that information. You can just click on something and then you get more information. As a summary, I can say that a well-designed multimedia helps learners to build more accurate and effectively mental models that they do from the text alone that have been explained before. So, okay, all these different kind of benefits, I've got it from this website. Now the question is, how can we create an effective multimedia learning material with less effort? Presentationtube is one of the easiest way. Let's see how it looks like. How does it work? Multimedia material creation with a Presentationtube. The first thing that you have to do, you have to prepare your presentation. You need to have a computer with a webcam if you want your image, as now you can see me, I'm just talking to you. Just clicked on cam on the computer and then I can go back to my slides without any problem. So you need to have a computer, you need to have a computer with a webcam, and then you will be able to write some text. Like now, if I click on text, I can say hi everybody, or just give any other information, saying that you can just find the presentation tube on this website .net. You can draw something. You can just, maybe you say it's something which looks like this, what it is. Maybe you want to ask someone what it is. If it's a triangle, not the way it is, I mean drawed, but fine. You can also go to the web, because if I click on the web, you can see that here I can just write, I can search Presentationtube. So if you're demonstrating something on internet, you can just use this tool. My internet seems to be very slow. Okay, but just you have to type what you're looking for on the left side of the software. I'll show you where it is. Okay, where to get it? The Presentationtube tool, as I told you, is a software that can be used freely for educational and personal activities, and can be downloaded from this website, and can be easily installed on your PC. I think we can just have a look how it looks like. Let me just try to go again on the internet. Presentationtube.net, I mean. Okay, this is the website. If you go to the website that I have mentioned, I mean this website, Presentationtube.net, you will be able to see this website. And then on this website, when you will read the information and everything, and then when you click on record, you will see where you can download. You can download, scroll down, you can download. This is the download. You're gonna have the zip. You have to unzip and install it. After installing it, you will have this kind of screen. This is the screenshot of this one. So this is the environment that I'm working in, and then it's easy. Whenever you have installed it, and then you double click on the icon which is on your desktop, you have this kind of screen. The first thing you have to do, you have to load your PowerPoint by clicking on this open, and you can just have when you have your presentation on, you can switch between the slides and then the camera, because if I click on the camera like this, you can see me talking, but if I click on slides, you will see the slides that I'm making. Oh, don't be confused, because here there is a screenshot that I've taken of myself, but look, I can just navigate through my presentation. You can look at the text, you can click on draw, you can click on the web. You switch as easy as you want. Now, okay, where am I on the presentation? So if you want to start recording after uploading your PowerPoint, you have to click on record to start recording. Whenever you want to show the slide, you click on slide, on text, and so on, and then you can stop. So navigating through the PowerPoint, you have to use this next previous button so that you can navigate through different PowerPoint. Next is, okay, the PowerPoint will look like this. This is the PowerPoint that I've uploaded as an example. It was one of the presentation I had on creation of online university in a regional conference on educational and instructional technology, which was held in Rwanda. Now, what are the advantages of Presentationtube? There are a lot, there are many, but just to mention a few, there's easy presentation recording for lecturers and students. With this, we can just, most of our lecturers will be able to make their multimedia based learning material, and then students can just learn easily and at their own pace. The video sharing, here I'm not going to show you how you can upload, but if you go to the website that I've mentioned, this Presentationtube.net, you will be able to see how you can just upload it and share with your friends. There's this video streaming, yeah, that's what I was saying, and then there are many other advantages that you're going to find. The only thing that I can say now, we can use this tool to create different learning materials for our students, for even our colleagues if you are students. The only thing I can tell you, enjoy your fruits, the fruits of the Presentationtube, and thank you for your attention. For more details, please feel free to contact me on my Gmail account or through my university account, gmunyeman@gmail.com and at nul.ac.rw. Thank you very much. Enjoy the Presentationtube, and then see you later. Bye.